Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get free items in Roblox. First up, open your Roblox account and then go and click on Marketplace. On the left side bar, go to Category, and here you can search for an item that you are looking for. For example, here on clothing. And then once done, go to the search section and you want to select the price low to high. And here, as you can see, these are all limited items, which means they're not completely free. So what you're going to do is go to creator section on the left side bar, select on the username, and then type in Roblox. And then click on go. And there you have it. You'll find all free items from Roblox. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you again on the next video.